What is .NET Core? It's the newest version of .NET, which is cross-platform, supporting Windows, MacOS, and Linux, and can be used in devices, cloud, and embedded Internet of Things services. The following characteristics best define .NET Core. 1. Flexible deployment. It can be included in your app or installed side by side or machine wide. Cross-platform. Runs on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Can be ported to other OSes. The supported operating systems, CPUs, and application scenarios will grow over time, provided the Microsoft or other companies and individuals, provided by Microsoft or companies and individuals. 3. Command line tools. All product scenarios can be exercised at the command line. Compatible. .NET Core is compatible with .NET Framework, Xamarin, and Mono via the .NET Standard Library. How is it different from existing .NET Framework? Since the announcement of ASP.NET Core 1.0 now, it has created confusion with the name and different flavors of new version of .NET. Some of my colleagues were also confused with naming and different flavor of it. So in this short report, let's understand difference between .NET Core and .NET Framework. First, let's stop calling it ASP.NET 5. Now it is renamed to ASP.NET Core 1.0. So .NET as whole now has two flavors. One is .NET Framework and two is .NET Core. The differences. .NET Core and .NET Framework have, into brackets, for the most part, a subset-superset relationship. .NET Core is named Core since it contains the core features from the .NET Framework for both the runtime and framework libraries. For example, .NET Core and .NET Framework share the GC, the GIT, and types such as string and list. Second difference, .NET Core was created so that .NET could be open source, cross-platform, and be used in more resource-constrained environments, where these two fit with ASP.NET. Like .NET, ASP.NET now also has two flavors, ASP.NET 4.6 and to ASP.NET Core 1.0. ASP.NET 4.6 is upgraded version of ASP.NET, which all are using from the last 13 years. It started with 1.0 back in 2012, and now it has reached at 4.6. Applications built using ASP.NET 4.6 or prior version of ASP.NET run only on Windows platforms. ASP.NET Core 1.0 is completely a new platform to build cross-platform applications, and it was written from scratch. So now you can build web applications using ASP.NET Core 1.0, and you can target .NET Framework 4.6 and or .NET Core. The .NET Framework 4.6 run on top of Windows operating system, where .NET Core 1.0 is a cross-platform framework and runs on top of Windows and non-Windows operating systems.